Hi, my name is John and welcome to another Product Spotlight. Today we're looking at this American Car and Foundry 17,360 gallon tank car. This model is HO scale and it's produced by Atlas. It comes from their Master Series. The price of this car at the time of this recording is $49.95 to $54.95. This is the MSRP listed. MSRP stands for Manufacturer Suggested Retail Price, which means you can probably find it for less if you search around on the internet. Now, Atlas offers this car in a ton of different road names and road numbers, so your best bet is to go to their website, see if they have the ones you're looking for, and then shop around for the best price, because, like I said, you'll probably find it for less if you do that. I've scrutinized the paint and markings on this car and found them to be excellent. All of the writing is legible, including what's down here, and even this tiniest writing here, all legible with magnification. The logo looks especially good. This particular car is decorated for PENNWALT chemicals. And as you can see from this side view, there's a lot of underbody detail, which we'll look at later, but it's visible from this viewing angle. Here's a look at the brake end of the car, and you can see that it has a separately applied brake wheel. Also, this grab that goes across, separately applied. And of course, the placard holder down here is also separately applied. Here's a look at the other side of the car, and I'll mention while we're looking at it that all this detail here is separately applied as well. And of course, this, I think it's a grab that goes all the way across the bottom. If you look, you can see there's a placard holder tucked under here. All this stuff is separately applied. And if you look, you can also see that there's some brake system detail here tucked away on the bottom of that part of the car. This is all separately applied detail as well. Here's an even better look at the A end with that separately applied brake system detail. If you look in there, I don't know if you can see this, but it's kind of hard to see in person too because it's black on black detail, but there's additional piping down here. And of course, you have the same level of detail that we saw on the brake end, including that wire grab that goes all the way across and the separately applied placard holder as well. We don't always look at the A end from this angle, but I thought we should because you can see there's even more brake system detail tucked in this end as well. Here's a look at the top detail of this model. The hatch is especially nicely done, and it's actually a separately applied piece. And if you look, you can see that the platform details are separately applied and made out of what looks to be molded plastic. It's done in such a way, though, that if you weathered this, it would look like photo-etched metal parts. The detail on the bottom of the model is equally impressive with all this separately applied brake detail and this other grab detail that goes across is all visible from the side angle, and it is all separately applied. Something to mention also while it's upside down like this, these are body-mounted couplers and metal wheels on the trucks. This model weighs 4.7 ounces. And according to my cheat sheet, the NMRA's recommended weight for a car of this length is just under 4.5 ounces. I really like what Atlas has done with this tank car model. The separately applied parts that go along the side of the car and also the separately applied brake system parts on the bottom of the car are especially nicely done. And something that I really liked were those brake components that are tucked in on the ends of the car. That's something that really I didn't even notice until I was looking at it very carefully. And those are nice details to have. The only thing I could think of that you could add to this car would be an uncoupling lever and air hose detail, that kind of thing. And that's a great opportunity for us to exercise our modeling muscles. So anyway, great job, Atlas. I'll see you all next time.